Okay, unboxing. This one is from Brennon. I already peeked, but I didn't open them. Not yet. Okay, let's see what we got. I already started to unwrap these. And he did something interesting where you pulled the tab. Pull tab. Right? Very creative. Anyway, let's do this one first since I already pulled the tabs on this one. Let's see. I should just tear through it, but I never know if I'm going to have to, or if I'm going to need to put them back in the same container or same bag. Right? Yes. Alright, so what do we got? Should I be showing this? Alright, so we got... What do we got? And I'm not in my shop. As you can see, I'm in my dining room. It's too cold. Although I gotta go out and nap today. Oh, I see what's going on with this. This is very tough. Very tough, challenging chart. Yeah. I can already tell. Yes, it is. It might look nice and what someone called creamy one time. Like soft serve ice cream, I suppose. But this is the opposite. Is this a letter? It's not a letter. Although that might mean something. What does it mean to put a blank page in with the contents? Does it mean something? Anyway, yeah, we got quite a challenge here. I'm not sure. We've been emailing. I'm not sure if he wanted me to test the heat treatment on these. Yeah, it's very tough stuff. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff that rattles your teeth when you try to nap it. Yeah, that's why I nap freehand for stuff like this. Because if I'm on my lap and I try to hit this as hard as it needs to be hit, I end up with bruises on my leg, even with a leather pad. So when you hit it freehand and hit it fast enough, it knocks off flakes, but it doesn't torture your hand very much. It does torture it somewhat. I have a bone spur or something in there that's like a pad against the force that I've been putting against my hand for years. I've got a something built up to protect that bone that it keeps bumping up against. But that's about it. It doesn't make me crippled or anything, or bruised, or uncomfortable, because, as you know, discomfort affects the napping, even little bitty things. Okay, so this says, I forgot to read it. Raw laurel chert bigger pieces. Laurel chert. Okay, gotta remember that. Oh, what is this? This is something heavy. I should already have memorized, because I think you told me what it was. Okay. I don't remember things very well. Let's see. Brass rods. There we go. I needed some of these for my future brass tools. Right? These are brass or bronze. They look like brass. Yeah, I think they are brass. Awesome. You're gonna nap with that? Yeah, I'm gonna nap with it. I'm gonna nap with some brass rods. What's wrong with that? I thought you said they're all cruddy and slippery. Yeah, I did. Still gonna do it. Heat treat Buffalo River chunks chert. I don't. Anvil chunks something. Chunks something. Like I thought I said chert. Torton. Someone can translate that. It looks like hieroglyphics to me. It goes over my head too. If it's not plain, if it's not highly technical or a 5th grader wrote it, I can't understand it. I don't understand the mid-grade stuff. You know what I mean? It's got to be highly technical, engineering or archaeology jargon, or so simple a 5th grader can read it. All right, so someone translate that. Yeah, I have no idea what that says. Yeah, better. And I see chunks, yeah. Oops. Don't drop it on the floor. This is my good floor. I don't want to dent my good floor. All right, so this is heat-treated Buffalo River. All right, let's see. I gotta be sneaky and write something down on it. Let's see, this is February. Let's just say February 7th. I don't know exactly. Okay. I know that's going to get mixed up with other chunks. What is this? Heat-treat keel cook chunk clunk. Uh-huh. I read that. I know what that means. Oh, there we go. Easy peasy. Yeah. Let's see. Excuse me while I have to write this down for the intellectually impaired, okay? I'm intellectually impaired. Okay, so this is from... And I write the date because sometimes these end up sitting around for years. Yeah. It's a challenge. Why is it a challenge? Actually, I don't know. This is not that bad, actually. I don't see major cracks. See, what's more challenging than this is if it has a lot of cracks and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one to see what I can do. Try to preserve maximum length on it. Yeah, I could try. That's what everyone wants to see. My first inclination is just knock off this whole top part right there and then nap the rest. That's not so bad. But no, everyone wants to see if I can maximize this. Yeah. What does it look like to maximize it? You'll see. Ancient or natural heat treat. It's laurel chert. So I gotta nap it to see what that is like. I don't know. It looks like it's not a heat treat, or it might be heat damaged. It just looks like very cracked, not easy to nap stuff because it's so cracked. But it may flake easy. I think it's going to break into 4 parts as soon as I hit it with some conviction. That's what it needs. It needs to be hit with conviction. I know what this is. Georgetown. So I've got to write down all this. I'll do it off camera. I got to write down who it's from because it's going to get mixed up with my other Georgetown. If I don't. What is this? Raw laurel, small interest chunks. All right. I see what you're doing. Just so you know, I got like 6 other boxes similar to this. I need to go through to nap. These, I think they can be heat treated, yes. This is the size I would heat treat, you know? Less than 1 inch thick. It looks like someone's already been napping on these. Yeah. It almost looks like Burlington. Right or no? Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah. I have seen it because it has. I've seen this anyway with the gray in it. These gray streaks. Or I've seen something similar. Maybe not that exact type, but I've seen these gray streaks in some other shirts. Yeah, this one looks like it's been battered, seriously battered. I feel sorry for it. But I'm going to torture it some more. Oh, yes. What would I use on it? Oh, soft antler and antler pressure flakers. Soft antler billet, right? Or no, wood billet? No, obviously not. I'm going to use steel on this stuff for everything. Steel all the way. That way I don't have to resharpen my tools every 5 seconds. Yep. I can use antler, soft antler on this with delicate bone tip pressure flakers. This one I'm going to use copper. Yeah. Why copper? Because I'm not crazy. I might accept crazy challenges, but is this heat treat? Oh, it's bigger pieces. So I can mix these because these are not heat treats. They're all the same raw stuff. Okay. Very good. There you go. Awesome. Thank you very much. It's a good challenge. I'll put that in the challenge stack. All right. That's it.